Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Palak Paneer. You can serve this along with roti, chapati, naan or even with jeera rice. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add a handful of spinach. To this add around half a cup of water. Let it cook and keep mixing it so that all the spinach leaves get cooked. You have to cook this for at least 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now and the spinach has been cooked to soft. Now you can turn off the heat and drain the water and take the spinach leaf and transfer it to a mixer jar. You can store this spinach cooked water for later use. I'm going to transfer this water into a bowl and have it for later. To this spinach, add 2 green chillies, allow it to cool down and then you can blend it to a fine paste. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. When it melts, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it splutters, I'm going to add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute this for at least a minute. When the onion is half cooked, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and let it cook till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off completely. Now I'm going to add a paste of 1 tomato. I've taken a tomato and added to the mixer jar and blend it to a fine paste. I've added it now. After adding tomato, give it a mix and I'm going to add the salt that is required for this Palak Paneer. After adding salt, give it a mix and let it cook for few seconds. Now I am going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. You don't need to add red chili powder because we have added green chilies while grinding the spinach. After adding the spices, give it a mix and let it cook till the raw smell goes off. It's been cooked really well now. I'm going to add the spinach and green chili paste to this mixture. Mix well. Always use green chilies so that you will get a nice bright green color. I'm going to add the spinach cooked water that we reserved earlier now, and to this I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of milk. So the consistency has to be little thick, so make sure you add the right quantity of water while making this curry. Let it come to boil. Let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring it now and then. Look at the consistency. Now I'm going to add 200 grams of paneer cubes. Mix well. After adding paneer, you have to cook it for around 4 to 5 minutes. Mix well and let it cook for some time. It's been 2 minutes now. I'm going to add a very nice dried methi leaves. Just crush it and add it. It gives a very nice flavor and taste to the curry. After adding it, give it a mix and let it cook for a couple of minutes. It's been 2 minutes now and now I'm going to turn off the heat and you can see the consistency is perfect. The curry should get coated to the paneer cube so that it will be really tasty. So make sure you get this consistency when you prepare it. And that's all. Such a simple and very tasty Palak Paneer is ready. Do give it a try at home and share your feedback. And if you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.